Hey everybody, so I'm going to do a strainer board today. This is a 12 by 12 gallery wrap canvas. I do want to use the kitchen strainer, and I'm using neon with flash colors. So, I already sprayed my cup with the WD-40, and I want to go ahead and start adding color. So I'm going to go with a little bit of the neon yellow, and follow that with the flash yellow. We'll use the neon green, and we'll follow that with the green flash from Folk Art. Some of the neon blue, and we'll follow that with the Folk Art blue flash. This blue is a little different than that blue, but we'll still get the same effects that I'm looking for. The neon purple, and we'll follow that with the purple flash. The neon pink. Oh, that's bright. And we're going to go ahead and follow that with the pink flash. This is a totally different color. But I wanted to see how they'd interact with each other on canvas. So I'm going to go ahead and pinch the cup, and we're going to pour it into the strainer. And I don't care if this takes over the whole canvas, but I am going to let up here just a second. Let that paint go down a little bit. Okay, it's going to be bright. I'm not sure I'm going to like it. I'm not big on bright colors. I'm more of a neutral color person, earthy tones, and I love my blues and my purples too, but not so much neon. So let's see if I can pick this up and move it without dripping. It's kind of neat, loving the center. So we already know that we're going to pour off a lot of that pink, and it will be on the edges probably. So I'm just going to move it around and let it go over. I guess I'm going to end up with a neon yellow and green painting. It's pretty psychedelic. But I think I might end it like this with some black edge, because that's pretty groovy right there. Let me torch it and see what we're going to get in the middle, because that's, the sides are all lacy from the silicone over the black, which is kind of cool. The air bubbles out first. Now let's see what's in here. Nothing. Well, there's a few coming up. Not many, though. But that is pretty cool. I feel like it needs to come this way just a smidge, and then I'll pull it back to stretch out that green. There we go. I hope that works. Guys, I just did an Ellen Welch painting. There we go. So if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and click below. Click on that bell and you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Click like and share and leave a comment. Join our group on Facebook, the Barrage Posse. Also, our art page is there. Shop with us on Amazon for your supplies. We have paintings available on Etsy along with jewelry and coasters. It's pretty bright. But I kind of like it. I love the way the hot pink is on the edges. I'm not usually a pink person, so yeah. Check out all those links below. And join us on Monday nights. We are live every Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern. We do about 4 or 5 paintings. We answer questions. Viewers usually get to pick colors and techniques, but we do a lot of new stuff too. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you all in the next one. Bye now.